All right, guys, got a 1972 Cutlass with a 350 Rocket. This is before, go ahead. There's sound decibels. 98. I don't know exactly what it's got underneath it, so I'm gonna lift up and show you guys. There you go. 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass with the 350 Rocket in it. Showed you guys what it sounded like before. So this is what it has underneath it. Man, headers, factory headers up there. On both sides, comes down, goes into, it looks like glass packs right there, one on each side. Looks like it's ran in 2 1/4 over the rear end and out the back with some single wall angle cut tips right there and right there. This is what's on it now. We're gonna take those off right here, put some Black Widows in its place, and do one of these. They're double wall angle cut tips. Don't know which one yet, but we're gonna figure it out. So there it is right there, guys. And like I said, we'll let you guys hear it when we're done. After we put the Black Widows on it, we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, guys, we got a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass, fully decked out, as you guys can see. Got a 350 Rocket in it. Really beautiful car. Custom wheels, some 26s or 28s. I'm not sure, I didn't look. Deep dish, Forgiatos. Look at them wheels. They look good on this sucker. Wow. Got a little lip there, a lot of lip there. It's just nicely done. Really beautiful car. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. As you guys can see, it's frame off. It's really clean. The frame is clean. The restoration has been done really nicely on it. It's got updated brakes and all that stuff. So it's got true duals all the way back on each side. And then you had some mufflers on it that weren't sounding good. We let you guys hear it before. So we said we can't have that. So we went ahead and changed them out for some Black Widow Angry Housewives, 6-inch. Part numbers right there, too big to announce. They look really clean. We had to add a couple of sleeves. There's the other part number on this side. There'll be a link in the description for the Angry Housewives. Then it's got custom suspension in the back to grab all that power, as you guys can see. Updated brakes also in the back. See it? Really nice. And an upgraded rear end too. And then as you guys can see, the tailpipes out the back on each side. And then he wanted some new tips because the other tips were too close in. They were burning the bumper on each side. So we put them some new tips, double wall stainless steel, 3.5-inch tips. Fill up the gap really nicely. It's just clean. Came out really nice, as you guys can see. So it had 2 glass packs on it, and those were the old school tips. We took them off and replaced them. So now we're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Check out the interior on this thing. It is fully custom digital gauges. Really restored. Wow, what a beautiful automobile. I like how they did the seats on it. I like that. It's different. It's clean. It's classy. What do you guys think of that stitch pattern? It's definitely different. Wow, there's the Forgiato steering wheel. Nice. Just really clean. Look at the seat belts on the belt on top. That's cool. Wow, what a beautiful automobile. They got the nice wood accents on the sides. That's a clean touch too. Whoever did it really nice. Gotta give them props. Very nice. Very cleanly done. Wow. Those glass packs are strong in it, I guess. Why is it smoking so much? All right, go ahead again. That's crazy. It's smoking a lot, guys. I don't know why. Let's see if it warms. Once it warms up, if it's any better. It's getting better. Here's sound decibel. 104. I don't know why it's it's running rich like crazy, man.
It's got some carbon buildup.
Yeah. Maybe those glass packs were clogged up or something.
Yeah.
Because the more he revs it, the more it's stopping, you know, so it's coming out. Got a whole crowd watching. Check it out, guys. Yeah, it's running rich. He'll get that fixed next. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Let you guys hear on the inside.
This is before, go ahead. There's sound decibels. I don't know exactly what it's got underneath it, so I'm gonna lift up and show you guys.
Wow. Those glass packs are stroking it, I guess. Why is it smoking so much? On this beautiful Cutlass, I'm gonna show you guys under the hood. Ooh, baby, 350 rocket. Good looking truck, good looking motor. He's still working on it all. Little by little, you're gonna get it all perfect.
No doubt.
She looks clean, man. I love how you did the interior on it. That interior looks really classy. All right, there it is.